Welcome to the North Canton Kindergarten enrollment. In this short video, we will be giving you a brief overview of what you can expect from the enrollment process for kindergarten and hopefully answer some commonly asked questions to make the process easier for you. Below this video, you will see a link to the kindergarten enrollment. Click on the link, create an account, and complete all your child's enrollment paperwork. Please note, if your child currently attends the school district's preschool, the Early Childhood Center, you do not need to complete the enrollment process. Your child is already enrolled for kindergarten. During the registration process, you will be asked to upload the required documents for enrollment. Please be sure to do this at the time of enrollment. If you do not have the ability to upload the documents, you can email them to the address provided in the Enrollment Packet, which is enrollment@northcantonschools.org. If you choose to email and not upload the documents, please be sure to include your child's name in the email. Please be aware that no partial enrollments will be accepted and that your child will not be officially enrolled until all of the required documents are received. The registration documents are listed on the registration website as well as in a link inside the enrollment packet. Let's take a moment and go over them so you have a general idea of what you will need. Number 1, you will need your child's birth certificate from the state where your child was born. A baptism record or a record from the hospital will not work. Number 2, a parent photo ID. Number 3, 2 proofs of residency. Number 4, immunization records. Number 5, any custody documents if applicable. Let's look further into these requirements to hopefully answer any questions you may have on them. Proof of residency. Typically, the most common proof is 2 current utility bills. You may also use a lease or your mortgage statement, a voter registration card, a current bank statement in the parent or legal guardian's name, a paycheck stub issued to the legal parent or guardian, a driver's license with your current address, or a change of address card from the post office. If you choose to submit the change of address through the post office, please be sure it is in the form you receive in the mail from the post office, not the confirmation from the website stating you have submitted a change of address. If you reside with someone and have none of these items in your name, you will need to complete the Affidavit of Staying With. This form is available on our website under Registration of New Students. You will find the download on the right-hand side of the registration page on our website. Once you have printed the form, you will need to complete it and have it notarized. Please do not sign it until you are in front of the notary. You may then submit it as your proof of residency, along with 2 of the required proofs of residency in the name of the person with whom you are living. Please note that the Affidavit of Staying With is just for people who have no documents in their names. It is not required for everyone. If you have just moved and will not yet have 2 proofs of residency, 1 will be sufficient to enroll your child. You will then have 30 days to provide your second proof of residency. A few tips on submitting your documents. When submitting utility bills, you should only submit page 1 with your name and address, not the entire document explaining your bill. If you are submitting custody documents or a divorce decree, please submit the entire document, not just the residential parent page. The state of Ohio requires that your child's file contain the entire document. And lastly, when submitting your ID, we only need the picture side, not the back. Now let's talk about your child's shot records. We do realize your child may not have a wellness visit to the doctor until the summer and may not currently have all the required immunizations. That is no problem. Please submit your child's current record, and once you receive their updated immunization record, you will be able to submit that to the school prior to the opening of the school. Next, let's talk about the enrollment packet. A section in the enrollment packet will ask you about your transportation plans. We do understand that you may not have your child care finalized yet, and there are lots of unknowns. Please fill out the transportation form to the best of your ability and as accurately as possible for what you believe your child's transportation needs will be. If it is necessary to make a change as school is about to start, you will be able to notify the transportation department of the change. We do realize that this can be an anxious time for you as there are a lot of questions pertaining to kindergarten. Rest assured, your child's building principal will be in touch with more kindergarten information in August. Once you have submitted your child's enrollment forms online, you will receive an automated confirmation that they were submitted. Once the enrollment is confirmed, all required documents have been submitted, you will receive a welcome email along with a kindergarten video explaining the next steps. Please be aware this video will not arrive until after your documents and forms have been verified. Please be patient as you await the final confirmation of enrollment. This is a lengthy process because of the large number of enrollments. If you do not receive a video confirmation by late May, please reach out to the school district at enrollment@northcantonschools.org. Also, please be sure to check your spam folders if the email does not appear in your inbox. The subject line of the email will be Enrollment at North Canton Primary School. If you have a question, please do not hesitate to reach out to the district office at North Canton City Schools at 330-497-5600. We look forward to meeting you and your child in August.